how to remove Copilot from Windows 11. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can remove Copilot from Windows 11. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to come over here, click on settings. There are two ways to actually do this. I'm going to be using the simple method and I'll show you the both methods actually. Go into settings and go into personalization, go into taskbar, and over here you can just turn off the preview. Right, so this is going to disable the Copilot from the taskbar, but won't completely disable it. To completely disable it, you need to go into registry and do settings from there, or into group policy. I'm going to be using group policy, so just simply add GP edit. There we go, group policy over here. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit bigger so that you guys can see it, like so. So once we're in the group editor, what we want to do is we want to go into administrative templates underneath user configuration. And then over here, click on Windows component, and over here, scroll down and you should find Windows Copilot right here. Click on it. So over here, you can see turn off Windows Copilot. We'll just simply double click it. It'll open up the windows. And right now, as you can see, it's not configured. Now we just need to enable it. Enabling it will actually turn on this option, which is turn off Copilot. So it will turn off Copilot. So over here, if you enable this policy, user will not be able to use Copilot, as you can see right here. So we'll just simply click on apply and click on OK, and there you go. You have now turned off Copilot permanently. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.